What's up, guys? So we got a lot going on in the shop tonight. Working on some exhaust on this white Challenger behind me. So got Craig right now doing a little welding on it. So trying to finish up all of that. Once he gets that done, that pipe's welded up. Already got this pipe all tacked together. All we gotta do is finish welding it up. So we'll have it done. Hopefully have it on the dyno. Today's let's see, Tuesday. So we'll hopefully have it on the dyno come Thursday. But we got another car we're gonna do tomorrow. So that'll have this thing finished up with a twin turbo 392, like pretty much Hellcat short block. So I guess it'd be a 6.2 instead of 6.4. But so we're hopefully about to get that done. While we're doing that, we got Alex here working on his Fox body. We are putting all carbon interior in it, so we got him in here fitting up all the carbon interior. So we've already got this back panel made. So now we're working on the panel that's going to go up here and cover where the tubs and stuff go. So we'll get close to having that knocked out. Once we get all that done, pretty much the interior of this thing will be ready to put back together. So what's up, guys? We're in a Challenger SRT, got twin turbos and stuff on it on E85. We're strapped on the dyno and we are about to hopefully make some power. We're just on wastegate springs only right now. Not exactly sure. It should make somewhere around 8 pounds of boost hopefully. As of right now, we're getting our HP tuners loaded in. So we're about to make a hit on it, and we're going to take you all along the way and let you know if we got lean spots, rich spots, timing. We're going to let you know some things we changed. So enjoy the ride. Alright guys, so we just got done making that pull. We quit the pull at 4,500. Of course I go a little bit lean, so we're gonna put some more fuel in it and give it another shot. So obviously we're using HP tuners on this, so like I said, we're on the dyno and got the other tune loading in right now. So yeah, let's see what it makes. Craig's getting all the plugs changed so we can get ready to make us another pull. The gap was really big on the plug, so we decided that We're going to tighten it up, get kind of blow the spark out, we think. So let's see what we can do. Alright guys, let's make a pull, see what we got.